Please don't scroll. I'm just trying to become a big content creator one day, but I have no supporters, so if you have the chance, please subscribe.
Today, we're going to unleash our creativity and dive into the wonderful world of finger painting. Who needs brushes when you have fingers, right? We're going to bring a magical moonlit night to life using just our fingers and some paint. It's going to be so much fun, and I'm excited to have you along on this artistic journey. Capturing the essence of a moonlit night is no easy feat, especially when you're working with just your fingers and paint. The delicate balance of light and shadow, the soft glow of the moon, and the subtle textures of the night sky, it's a lot to convey with just your fingertips. But that's what makes it so challenging, and so rewarding. The biggest hurdle is probably going to be controlling the amount of paint on my fingers. Too much, and the painting becomes a mess. Too little, and it's hard to get the desired effect. I'm also worried about achieving the right consistency with the paint. If it's too thick, it won't spread evenly. If it's too thin, it'll be hard to control. Then there's the issue of blending colors. Fingers aren't exactly precision instruments, so getting smooth transitions between colors can be tricky. And let's not forget about the nuances of texture and pattern. How do you recreate the intricate details of a moonlit night using just your fingers? It's a puzzle, but I love a good puzzle. Despite the challenges, I'm really excited to get started. There's something so liberating about working with your fingers. It's like tapping into your inner child. You get to be messy, you get to experiment, and you get to see your creativity unfold in a really organic way. So, let's take a deep breath, get our fingers ready, and dive into this magical moonlit night. The first step is to create a rough outline of our composition. I'm using a large piece of paper, and I'm starting with a very loose sketch of the night sky. My fingers are going to be my guide, so I'm not too worried about precision at this stage. I just want to get a sense of the overall layout. Once I have that, I can start building up the colors and textures. For the night sky, I'm using a combination of blues and purples to create a sense of depth and atmosphere. As I start to add more colors, I'm thinking about the emotions I want to evoke. I want this painting to feel peaceful, dreamy, and maybe even a little bit mystical. The moon is going to be the focal point, so I'm using a soft, creamy white to create a sense of glow. I'm also experimenting with different textures to capture the delicate patterns of the night sky. It's amazing how much expression you can get from just your fingers. The more I paint, the more I feel myself getting lost in the process. It's meditative, in a way, the gentle strokes, the blending of colors, the sense of creation unfolding before your eyes. I love watching the painting come together, seeing the textures and patterns emerge, and feeling the emotions start to take shape. It's a truly magical process. And then, suddenly, it happens, the painting starts to come alive. The colors deepen, the textures become more pronounced, and the moon starts to glow with an otherworldly light. It's like magic, I tell you. The whole piece transforms before your eyes, and it's hard not to feel a sense of wonder and awe. Looking back on this journey, I'm reminded of just how much joy and satisfaction I get from finger painting. It's not about creating a perfect piece of art, it's about embracing the process, letting go of control, and allowing your creativity to shine. And that, my friends, is the real magic of finger painting. Thanks for joining me on this artistic adventure. If you have any finger painting experiences or tips you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to see more art videos like this, be sure to check out my channel. Until next time, happy creating!